Hey folks, I wanted to bring something to your attention here. Here's the 2024 Road King. If you follow that video on YouTube where we transformed this bike from black to the Gauntlet Gray metallic, she's a beauty. But we just added a new part on this thing. Check out this seat. Check out this beautiful seat. It's nice and plush. It comes in different colors. So you got orange, blue, red, beige. We went with the orange outfit on this metallic gray. This Gauntlet Gray, I'm sorry. So leave in the comments on how you think it looked, or should we have chosen a different color. I think it looks pretty darn good. So with this seat, you don't have to go with the backrest. You don't have to go with the back pad, but of course you have to go with the driver, right? So it depends on the application that you want to put it on. We have different flavors set up for the way you want to do it. All right, so you got your back pad, you got your back seat, and then you got your driver. And it fits real smooth here on that stretch tank cover. Check out that detail. She looks real good. Very, very, very beautiful. Advanblack right here. So as an authorized dealer, make sure you check me out, Eddie Bird, LEDs and Bags, ledsnbaggs.com, or reach me on Facebook under Eddie Bird or LEDs and Bags. All right, folks, we're gonna get to it. Peace.